Hello and welcome to Geo Driving School. Okay, so we are right now in Watford Test Center area, and we are coming from Test Center, and we'll be turning right from this road coming up. Then we join in the dual carriageway. So mirror, signal right. We stop the car before the given lane. We check it right, left, right. Nobody's coming. Then we're turning left. So mirror, signal left. Steering, we turn it left, so we're checking anyone coming on the slip road. I can see this Mini Cooper is coming fast in the slip road already. You're not supposed to come here, but what can we do? Now we have a safe gap. We're gonna move on the left side first, then with the pick of the speed, and we signal right. We wait for these cars behind us. If they're coming fast, they're gonna go left, maybe not, we don't know. Now we can join on the right side because it's safe to do so. So only join when it's safe to do so, otherwise stay in the slip road. So speed limit is 70 by the way on this road in here, but I'm not going too fast. I'm just going about 47, 48. The reason is after there's two bridges coming up. After the second bridge, the speed limit will be about 50 miles anyway. So we are going 48, 49. So that's the reasonable speed for this road. Now we're gonna keep an eye on the people coming from the slip road on the left side. They're coming from the bridge. So just keep an eye. There's a car already coming, but he is behind, so he's fine. We're gonna continue, but we're gonna keep an eye on them. Our speed is 47, so it's absolutely fine. We're gonna keep in the right mirror. There's a car in the right as well. Keep an eye on the traffic light. Our light is green, but red light for the people who are turning right. So we're gonna continue, keep going. Now its light is changed to amber, and it's red for us as well. So check the center mirror using the brake, and we'll slow it down. We're stopping the car just behind this red car in front of us, and we're gonna have a safe gap. We're not going too close to the car as well, so always have a safe gap from the car. Now we're gonna keep an eye on the cars behind as well, because we keep an eye, are they slowing down, are they stopping or not. So always make sure that you are aware of your surrounding. So while you're waiting, we're going to keep an eye on the mirrors as well, just in case a cyclist from the left, motorbike from the right, or maybe a pedestrian coming behind you and he's crossing the road, because the traffic is stationary at the moment. Traffic is not moving. So when traffic is not moving, people sometimes try to cross the road. They try to cross the road between the cars. So always be aware of surrounding. So keep an eye. So once it's amber light, we check the left mirror and the right mirror for move of safety, and then we move the car when it's green light. Now mirror, and release the brake first, then gently in the gas pedal, and we just move the car. And we're going to maintain a safe gap from the car in front of us as well. We're not going to go too close. There's a queue going on, traffic queue, so they're already slowing down. I'm going to stay behind the cars as well. Now the right lane is finishing, so they will be moving to the left side slowly. So we're going to keep an eye on them. So very soon we are approaching the Dome roundabout. So the main purpose to make this video was to deal with the Dome roundabout 4th exit. When you're coming from Test Center and you're going towards Garnston, 4th exit. So before the roundabout, there's a traffic light. Before the traffic light, there's slip road. Slip road left is for the Asda supermarket, and the slip road on the right is for the Sainsbury supermarket. And we are not going neither of them, so we're gonna continue in the right lane. but not on the slip roads. Because we're turning right, so there's 2 lanes going straight ahead. We're going to continue in the right lane because we're turning right. The left lane is for going Watford Town Centre first exit or second exit if you're going towards Hamilton or Aylesbury. So we're going to continue when the road is getting wider and bigger. For example, here we're just going to move to the right side of the road, and then we're going to continue going into this lane straight ahead behind this black car. So this slip road on the right is going Sainsbury. Slip road on the left where the Asda green vein is going, that is for the Asda. So we're going to continue in this right lane out of these 2 lanes in here. So if you're turning right 4th exit from the Dome roundabout, make sure that you change your lane timely. Otherwise you're going to struggle to change the lane. Now we have a space for the car, so we're going to continue. Make sure you're not stuck in the middle of the traffic light. So if you have a space, only then move from the green light. Green light doesn't mean that you move the car and then sit in the middle of the traffic light and block everybody there. So now we're we're approaching the Dome roundabout. We don't need a signal yet because we're just going straight. It's a red light already. So we're going to stop the car. So we are going 4th exit. First exit going Watford Town Centre left. Second is going straight towards Aylesbury Hemel. Third is going to the block of flats right there. And the 4th is going right to the Garston. So we're going to stay in this right lane. After the traffic light, we're going to continue in our right lane. So just waiting for the traffic light to turn into green. So this black car which is in front of us, he was not supposed to move, but what can we do? Now he's pushing the red car because he is blocking us. So now we have a space, we're going to continue. So come to the right lane in here. And now we're turning right, so mirror, signal right. So when you're turning right, you have to move to the left lane because you will be exiting. So don't go right lane again here. Just come to the left behind this car here. And we cancel the signal because we're not turning anymore, we are exiting. So you can do either left signal once the light is green or just no signal at all and you will be exiting. So now amber light, so mirror, and green light we're moving. So we're going to continue going behind this car, and again we don't need a signal here as well because you can see the road marking is this lane is for left only. If you signal, that's absolutely fine. So this is how you deal with the Dome roundabout 4th exit. If you have any other area in your mind that is difficult for you and you are struggling there, do let me know and I'll cover that area for you guys. I'm going to make a video for you guys, but it has to be in Watford, Hemel, Leighton Buzzard or in St. area because I only cover these areas. Alright, thank you for watching my channel, and please do subscribe and thumbs up from me as well if you like my videos. Thank you, take care, bye bye.